Hey, didn't see you there. Anyway, here we're going to talk about some factor action. Now, Miss Lipinski, the great teacher herself, said right here, for example, if I chose factoring and made my own video, so I thought that factoring would be a good thing to discuss here in this video for you fellow pre-calc students. So, if you're even going to see this video, I don't even know. So check this out. There are a plethora of different ways to do the factoring, including this here, called the GCF. So essentially, if I have 2x squared plus 4x plus 6, I want to pull out the greatest common factor. So, it's easy. It's going to be 2. Pull out the 2 and you have x squared plus 2x plus 4. Kabam! I'm sorry, plus 3. Kabam! That's all you got to do. But let's say it gets a little harder. You have 2x cubed now plus 4x squared plus 6x. You know, now you have the x's and you have the numbers. So you're going to pull out a 2x and you're going to get x squared plus 4x plus 2x plus 3. Bam! That's all it is. So now there's another type of factoring. It's not always going to be that easy to pull out the greatest common factor. But sometimes you're going to have to do the AC method. No, not the air conditioning method. The AC method. Here's how that works. Check this out. You might be familiar with this format. AX squared plus BX plus C. So you're literally just going to multiply the A and the C together to try and get that value that you're going to try and, find it if it multiplies to the one number and it adds to the other number. So, watch this. If you have 2x squared plus 7x plus 6, how in the world are you going to factor that? Well, check this out. I'm going to multiply 2 and 6, and I'm going to get 12. What is going to multiply to 12 and add to 7? Check it out. 4 and 3. Then you just do this. 2x squared plus 4x plus 3x plus 6. Now this is going to lead into the next thing we're going to discuss here, which is factoring by grouping. Because I'm going to make a little squiggly line here. Nice little squiggly line. And I'm going to take 2x out of here. And I'm going to get x plus 2. And over here, I'm going to pull out a 3. And I'm going to get, guess what I'm going to get? The same thing, x plus 2. So then I can just say 2x plus 3 and x plus 2 both equal to 0. And you're going to get x equal to negative 3 halves and negative 2. That's kind of cool, right? It is kind of cool. So the next thing is, yes, factoring by grouping. Alright, grouping. Like when you get in groups or squad up, grouping. Check this out. If I have 2x to the 4th plus 4x cubed plus x squared plus 2x. I'm going to factor this by grouping. So I'm going to make my little squiggly line in here. And it doesn't need to be a squiggly line, but that's the way I like it. I'm going to say 2x, the greatest common factor, is going to be 2x cubed. You're going to be left with x plus 2. Makes sense? It should. Over here, same thing, only it's going to be an x that I can pull out. And I'm going to get the same old x plus 2. Then 2x cubed, and then you just go from there. And that's how you just factor it by grouping, and now I have 2x cubed plus x and x plus 2. The one last way there is to factor, because guess what, we're still not done yet, is called something that you might not be familiar with, especially our great cinematographer here, a person who's holding the phone with just a camera, who's a freshman, probably doesn't know. is the difference quotient. Wait, no, sorry. Difference of squares, difference quotient, something else I was talking about in the letter. Oh yeah, you read the letter. Difference quotient. Make sure you know what that is. But this is the difference of squares. The difference of squares is really easy, even though you probably don't know what it is. But you just x squared minus 25. How might I go about factoring this? Well, watch. All you need to do is note that 25 is a perfect square. This is the difference of squares. Look, it's a square to square, and there's a difference. Check it out. All you do is x plus 5 and x minus 5. And then x is equal to plus or minus 5. And that's it!